So today we have an apartment where a couple split up and went their separate ways, but they left all their stuff here. So let's take a look at what they left. We're already in the apartment and let's take a look. All right, so starting off, they left everything in a complete mess. I mean, you have something that's supposed to be on a wall, some sort of metal wall art, leaves. It's clearly on the ground. Not on the wall, but end table between the walking area for the kitchen and the living room. You left a bunch of controllers here for a PS5 and an Xbox. You know, a whole heap of games. I mean, I can't even pick it up. It's got to be at least like 20 games there. So that's always interesting. They've got a couple more games here, a bunch of USB cords. In the closet, they don't really have anything much, just trash, mainly. I mean, that's the worst part is they broke up, they went to separate ways, leaving all their trash and items here. I mean, unfortunate. All right, let's hop into the kitchen, and they've got a broken bag of this actually has plates that are broken in a Subway bag. So that's a thing, you know? So that's interesting. They just leave their bags of food. I mean, here you got Burger King, you got Taco Bell, some more Burger King. Oh man. They left their Stanley cup. I think the cup actually broke though. I mean, what were they filling in this that the handle broke off? Jeez. As you can see, it's a complete mess in here as well. So you've just got a bunch of plates, dishes, broken glassware in here. Yeah, it's just messy. It's just a lot of items, you know? They just kind of threw it and left it. Now, this is always the worst. They leave the fridge. Yep, fridge is packed. Luckily, the electricity's still on, so we don't have to worry about this, but we got to get this cleaned out because this is a newer fridge. I mean, it is completely jam-packed. They didn't even bother, you know. Just up and left. Why not, you know? All right, let's hop into the bedroom and bathroom. There's nothing really in the closet. Bunch of Sheen bags. So, they're just bags. In the bathroom, you've got a drawer, I guess, a tote drawer thing in front of the toilet. Don't ask, I don't know either. You know, trash can. Yeah, it's just, they have a paint tray in here. A big paint tray. All right, here we are in the bedroom. This is just a lot of clothes in the center and some wires over here. This carpet will need cleaned. It is a newer carpet, but this is not holding up. This apartment's not that terrible, minus all the cleaning. I mean, all this stuff's all the broken bottles and everything need to be taken care of. So we're gonna do that, and yeah, just rent this. Easy peasy. I'll catch you guys in the next one.